Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5161P. It's a 2022 Ram 2500 crew cab long box with 135 for K. Nice sharp looking truck, chrome front end, chrome wheels. Get some nice interior options in there as well. Nice big full crew cab, so there's plenty of room in the back seat. It also does have this massive walk-in SpaceKap Wild on the back with drop-down ladder rack. Sorry, SpaceKap Diablo. So this is a full walk-in type. It's got some Ranger shelving on both sides. Plenty of room for materials on the floor, as well as stuff on the room for materials and tools on the shelving as well. Something like this is nice. You don't have to worry about anybody stealing anything out of the back of your truck. Four-wheel drive, full crew cab, long box. Does come with the 6.4 HEMI as well, so it does have enough power to, lug around some decent sized pieces of equipment to your job site as well. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. And then there's also that nice screen as well, and then a flip-up center console, so you can get up to 6 people in here going to and from your job site. And again, plenty of room for tool storage, material storage. Something like this would work great for any sort of rural contractor that's got to go to and from farms or remote areas where you do have to bring a lot of tools and materials with you. Again, stock number 5161, a 2022 Ram 3/4 ton.